Hello everyone, it's me again, MQ Wang, the founder and CEO of HOVERAir. Nothing brings me greater joy than to introduce a new member of the HOVERAir family. Today I have with me the HOVERAir Versa. Now let me give you a quick demo. Simply turn the screen to switch Versa on. As you can see, now I have a live view of Versa seeing on my turnable screen. The Versa is equipped with the 3-axis gimbal and a really awesome camera system. I'll get into the details later, but without further ado, let me show you what's most special about Versa. So slide the cover down and bring out the magical flight kit. Simply clip it on, and there you go. You have a self-flying camera. Now, Versa comes with all the classic HOVERAir automatic shots, such as zoom out, auto follow, and orbit. But what's more is Versa has just gotten a lot smarter. Inside is a 4nm processor that represents the state-of-the-art technology. With all the additional computational power, now we can equip Versa with many more AI-driven automatic modes. For example, the AI auto framing. Now Versa understands the scene that it's seeing and has a mind on its own to decide what's the best angle and what's the best zooming degree to frame the shot. Versa also comes with a brand new 3D world model. So now, as it's orbiting around me, it's not just collecting the images, but it's uploading it to the cloud and process it to create a 3D render of the surrounding environment. You can add virtual objects into the reconstructed 3D scenes and make it super fun. After the 3D model is constructed, now you can replay it in any direction, any trajectory you like. So this is super cool, isn't it? Versa also has what we call the inception mode. So when you choose the inception mode, the gimbal system will rotate 360 degrees on its own. So imagine if you're on a bus or some moving vehicle going through a city and film with the inception mode, you create a cinematic effect that was never available or never seen before. What's even better is now you can do inception mode while flying. Now, this feature was only available previously on drones that are priced over $3,000 US. But now with Versa, you can get the same cinematic effect. It comes so handy in your pocket. Let me go into a little more details about the technical spec of Versa. So I mentioned previously that it has a really good camera system. Versa is equipped with 1/1.3-inch sensor that has 17.5 stops of dynamic range. That's 110 dB in its light sensitivity. This ultra-wide dynamic range allows Versa to capture not just typical daylight views, but also beautiful scenarios such as sunset, or if you're going to a concert. It performs even better when there's huge light contrast, such as a super bright screen and dark surrounding environment. Versa has 64 gigabytes of internal storage, and in the handheld mode, a single battery allows you to film up to 3 hours. In the fly mode, Versa can fly on a single charge up to 14 minutes. You might be curious, is white the only color available? Well, of course, there is the classic black edition of Versa as well. And on the desk, I have so many accessories that I'm excited about. Let me introduce a few of them. This that I'm holding in my hand is what we call Miko, or mini controller. It's tiny, easily fit into your pocket, and it's really fun to play with. So let me do a quick demo for you. So you can change the direction as you wish with its simple control buttons, and also In auto follow mode, for example, in front following, you can adjust the position of Versa very easily with Miko, and it hides in your palm, so it's almost invisible. That's Miko. Now here is another piece of accessory. So this is a specially designed tripod that unfolds like this. You can adjust the angle of Versa with this accessory. This versatile stand can also be mounted onto, for example, our car mounting unit if you want to film yourself even while you're on the road. Here is a suite of ND lenses. We have the black and the white edition to fit our two different color units. I hope that gave you a quick glimpse of some of the functionalities of Versa, but I want to take this opportunity to talk a little bit about the design. There's actually a lot of thought that went into Versa, and to me, it's almost a dream come true. I've always had this belief that people don't really need a drone. They just want a camera that can fly. So this is literally a pocket-sized, gimbal-stabilized camera that can fly. Now, I think there's a beauty that lies in simplicity. It's been our design philosophy all along that we want to make some of the most advanced technology disappear. Things are supposed to be simple that just works, right? So this clip-on and clip-off design is very intuitive, and it seems obvious that people should have done this a long time ago, but it's no easy task. This pogo paint, for example, is specially designed and tested through thousands or hundreds of thousands of times so that it can maintain its reliability while delivering 5 amps of strong current from the internal battery of Versa to the flight control system and the powerful motors. The Versa is ergonomically designed, it's very sleek, and yet you have a strong grip. You don't need an extension unit to have enough grip. So it feels really natural when holding it and filming it, almost effortless. There's 2 additional microphones built into Versa and a powerful speaker. Now keep everything in such a miniature size and control the weight. It's also very challenging. Let me show you the battery of Versa. It's a very sleek battery design, but again, imagine the entire internal chamber of Versa is all hollow to make space for the battery, to allow Versa to fly still at 14 minutes of flight time. At HOVERAir, we're never satisfied with the progress we made in the past. We're always looking out and fetching into the future to bring you true innovations that just work. I hope this will become not just my dream, but also the dream too of many vloggers like me. So get yourself a Versa and go out there and have fun. Thank you.